Good day, everyone. Let's have a quick virtual museum tour of Distilleria Lindwanko Museum. I'm Jatnel Ganeshal from Section B3. Now, let's start the tour. First, let's have a introduction. Introduction of the museum. Nestled within the historic walls of Intramuros, Manila, the Distilleria Lindwanko Museum is more than just a collection of old bottles and dusty artifacts. It's a vibrant journey through Filipino history, culture, and the art of making of liquor or the alcohol. The museum tells the incredible story of the Distilleria Lindwanko, the oldest distillery in the Philippines, founded in 1852 by Lim Tuaco, a Chinese immigrant with a dream and a knack for crafting herbal wines. Walking through its halls feels like stepping back in time, where each corner whispers tales of resilience, tradition, and the family's unwavering passion for their craft. Now, let's proceed to the history of the museum. Distilleria Limtuaco, founded in 1852 by Chinese immigrant, again named Limtua in Binombo, Manila. It is the oldest distillery in the Philippines, starting with Shoktong, a popular herbal wine. The distillery grew over 5 generations, each adding new innovations while preserving its traditional roots. Despite challenges such as Spanish colonial rule, world wars, and economic changes, the distillery expanded its product line to include iconic liquors like wine, casa, whiskey, and old Captain rum. Today, under the leadership of Olivia Limpo Au, the first CEO, the distillery continues to blend tradition with modern innovation, celebrating its rich legacy to the Distilleria Limtua Comiseo and Intermores, Manila. Now, let's proceed to the 5 facts about the Distilleria Limtua Museum. First, family heirlooms and personal artifacts. The museum isn't just about the distillery's product. It also showcases personal items from the Lim Tuaco family, like old photographs, letters, and family heirlooms. It feels like you're stepping into their home, getting to know the people behind the brand and the legacy they've grown. Second, artisanal spirits collections. One of the museum's hidden gems is its collection of rare and limited edition of alcohol. These aren't just bottles and find on store shelves. They represent the distillery's creativity, experimenting with unique flavors and techniques that tell their own stories. Third, hands-on learning on liquor production. The museum has interactive exhibits that take you through the entire liquor making process, from picking ingredients to the final bottling. It's not just about reading blocks. You get to see, touch, and understand the craft that goes into every bottle. Fourth, thematic rooms. As you walk through the museum, you'll pass through the rooms designed to reflect different historical periods like the Spanish and American eras. Each space is decorated to capture the look and feel of the time, making it feel making it feel like you're traveling through the past. Lastly, tribute to local farmers. The museum also pays tribute to the farmers who grew the ingredients for the distillery into alcohol. This display emphasizes the distillery's commitment to supporting local agriculture and highlights the people whose hard work is behind every bottle. Now, let's proceed to the actual museum. In these pictures, you can see the front view of the museum. The second picture is the entrance, and the third picture is the side part of the museum. As you enter the museum, you can see there's first picture and the late President 1938, James B. Limpe and Julius T. Limpe. This is the items that used in liquor making. And also these three. And that would be all. Thank you.